Looking for a good fit in your organization? Chances are Macro has the perfect person ready and waiting for you. Macro is an award-winning and trusted Australian recruitment agency. Having been specializing in recruitment for well over 29 years, Macro enables you to hire the best candidates much faster and with confidence. Macro understands that when it comes to dealing with people, it's the little things that matter, like the personal touch, the follow-ups, thorough reference checking, and the professionally structured interviews. Not only adept in finding great hires, we also make sure they're indeed a great fit for you by assessing candidates' motivation, ability to produce, behavioral profile, and knowledge. Macro is the better alternative to having a dedicated in-house recruiter, which most companies can't afford anyway. To ensure that their hiring process is done professionally and effectively, many companies are turning to Macro. For increased confidence when it comes to new hire retention, Macro offers a 3-month guarantee period in which, if a new hire is terminated or leaves, Macro will find a replacement at no extra charge. In short, Macro has an extensive reach and can help you recruit and retain the best people faster, easier, and even cheaper than recruiting yourself.